Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I review trending products and online services to help you avoid scams and make smarter decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at AgeGO, a platform that claims to offer powerful anti-aging skincare and wellness solutions. But is AgeGO really legit or just another cleverly packaged online scam? Let's break it down honestly and quickly, so stay with me till the end because I'll give you my final verdict based on real facts, not hype. AgeGO promotes itself as a science-backed anti-aging solution that helps reduce wrinkles, improve skin health, boost collagen, and even enhance overall wellness. Sounds impressive, right? But before we believe the marketing, let's look deeper. Whenever you evaluate any health or skincare platform online, remember this rule: don't trust the claim, test the proof. Here's what I found during my research. Check mark what looks good about AgeGO. They do list product ingredients on their website, which is a positive sign since transparency matters. Their marketing avoids extreme miracle promises like look 20 years younger overnight. Instead, they focus on gradual results, which is more realistic. I also noticed customer reviews scattered online, not just on their website, which is another good indicator. However, it's not all perfect. Red flags to watch. Some products make big claims without showing clinical studies, which is suspicious in the health and beauty industry. Customer service details are limited. There's no easily visible phone number or business location. Legit companies usually have clear contact support. Pressure-based sales tactics like only 3 items left or offer expires soon appear on their site. Common marketing trick in questionable sites. So, is it a scam? After thorough digging, I wouldn't call AgeGO a direct scam. However, I also wouldn't recommend blindly trusting it. Like many anti-aging platforms, they rely heavily on marketing instead of scientific evidence. The products may work for some people, but without verified lab testing or dermatologist-backed studies, results are not guaranteed. Important reminder: if you're thinking of trying AgeGO or any anti-aging product, read the full ingredient list. Check third-party user reviews, look for refund policies, and most importantly, consult a dermatologist or health professional before using any new skincare or supplement, especially if you have sensitive skin or existing health conditions. AgeGO seems partially legit, but slightly risky due to lack of strong scientific proof and limited customer support transparency. If you still want to try it, proceed with caution and start with a single product instead of bundles. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've tried AgeGO. Was your experience good or bad? Also, if you want me to review another product or website before you buy it, drop the name below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart and stay safe online.